Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable Face ID with mask wearing. So I will show you on iPhone. This is iPhone 11 Pro, how to enable Face ID with face mask. Now I am wearing face mask, so I cannot unlock my iPhone. I try to unlock my iPhone, but I cannot unlock my iPhone. Ask me for passcode. So I need to activate Face ID with mask wearing, alternative appearance. To activate Face ID with masks, we go to settings. Settings, scroll down to Face ID and passcode. Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. Then you go to setup an alternative appearance. Tap setup alternative an alternative appearance. Okay, now we try to activate how to set up Face ID. Position your face. Get started. So to scan the Face ID with mask, we need to put the mask half here, and then you set up you set up Face ID gently like that. I will show you. So now I will scan as I shown you. Get started. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Second Face ID scan complete. Face ID is now set up. Now I am wearing face mask, so as you can see me, I can unlock my iPhone. So just unlock with face mask. That's it. Just sometimes needs some attempts, but I will show you again easily with face mask. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.